I was in community college learning just things about business, and it was so then that I realized that it wasn't something that I could have grown in as a career. I chose HVAC because it was something that interested me more than any other trade. I was always told that HVAC, you learn a little bit of everything, and I think that's a skill I wanted to learn. It prepared me a lot more than I expected it to. A school like Porter and Chester really helps someone who feels as if they can't learn or has no experience. They really help you learn it. And the teachers don't feel comfortable if you don't learn it, so they're always there to watch you, to make sure that when you do your assignments, you understand what you're doing, not just doing it. The program itself really prepared me for learning my trade. There is obviously a nervousness coming in. You look at these things for the first time and you feel intimidated as if you don't know what any of this is, but over time, over your course of the year that you're here, it's very hands-on. You learn everything. As someone who's graduated and is working, there isn't anything that I've done in the field that I wasn't taught here.